Hello guys, today we are going to discuss another important topic in the Telangana geography. This is the most important. There is a question, one or two questions in each exam from the chapter. So, Telangana irrigation, okay, what is irrigation, what are the projects, what are the rivers going to take place about this Telangana irrigation. It is the state, Telangana is the state, semi-arid region, and it is the Deccan Plateau. Like these conditions are going to take place, there are number of projects are there in the Telangana. So, we are going to discuss what is Telangana and what are the projects. Okay, Telangana is semi-arid region, that is the annual rainfall is average annual rainfall is 900 mm per year. Okay, main source of Telangana is agriculture and allied sectors. Okay, yeah, what are the importance of irrigation, what are the type of irrigations we are going to discuss in this lesson. Okay, yes, and major rivers according to the Telangana, there are two rivers are major rivers, that is northern river is Godavari, southern river is Krishna. Okay, based on these rivers there are number of projects, like main projects are there in the Telangana. Okay, yes, Godavari, which is originate the place Nasik, Maharashtra, Western Ghats, and if come to the Krishna, which is also Maharashtra, Mahabaleshwar, Maharashtra. Okay, these are the Western Ghats places. Western Ghats. Okay, it is the high elevation part of the Telangana. Yeah, and there is a length of Godavari river is 1465 kilometers, and if come to the Krishna, 1400 kilometers of length. Okay, yeah, there are in the Telangana 562 kilometers they can flow. Godavari river is Telangana, the length of the Godavari in the Telangana 560 kilometers. If come to the Krishna, 280 kilometers in the Telangana. Okay, Telangana Godavari flows about 560 kilometers, and Krishna it can be flow about 280 kilometers. Okay, about 560 kilometers there are number of projects we are going to discuss today class. Okay, yeah, irrigation potential in the Telangana, they might ask you this kind of questions also. Okay, there is 113 lakh acres. Okay, approximately 113 lakh acres are going to take under irrigation. Okay, yeah, major lift irrigation, major source of irrigation is lift irrigation. This can be asked the question, guys. Okay, major source of irrigation is lift irrigation in the Telangana. Okay, yes, there are different kind of projects are there. There are major projects, minor projects and medium level projects are there. Okay, what are the major projects? The irrigation potential which is about 10,000 hectares. Irrigation capacity is about 10,000. Okay, 10,000 hectares called major irrigation projects. Okay, the projects going to give the water to the above 10,000 hectares, that is called major irrigation projects. That is called major irrigation projects above 10,000. What are the major irrigation projects in the Telangana? We are going to discuss. Okay, yeah, first is Kaleshwaram lift irrigation projects. Okay, the river is Godavari. The river of the Kaleshwaram is main source river is Godavari, and it is they can cross 13 districts. 13 districts they can flow. Okay, Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project is on the river Godavari. Okay, yes, and Sri Ram Sagar project, SRSP, Sri Ram Sagar project, it is on the Godavari river itself. It is also on the Godavari river itself. Okay, main districts are Nizamabad, Jagityal. Main districts are Nizamabad, Jagityal. We are going to discuss each project detail. Okay, yeah, and Nagarjuna Sagar project, Nagarjuna Sagar, it is between AP and Telangana. The main river is Krishna river. Nagarjuna Sagar is Krishna river. That is about the district is Nalagunda. Okay, the project located in the Nalagunda. Okay, yeah. Palamuru Rangareddy scheme district, it is Krishna river. Okay, Palamuru Rangareddy lift irrigation project on the Krishna river. Okay, it is Mahabub Nagar, Nagar Karnool, Rangareddy is the place, the project place, located place of the project, that is Rangareddy and Nagar Karnool and Mahabub Nagar. And Sitarama lift irrigation scheme, Sitarama lift irrigation scheme, it is on the river Godavari, it is on the river Godavari. It is mainly Khammam and Bhadradri Kottagudem. The project is located Khammam and Bhadradri Kottagudem. Okay, yeah. Jurala project, we can call it as Priyadarshini project, Jurala or Priyadarshini project. Okay, it is on the Krishna river, it is on the Krishna river. The location of the project is Jogulamba, Gadwala. The location of the project is Jogulamba, Gadwala. Lower Penuganga project, Lower Penuganga project. This is, we can call Chinaka barrage, we can call Chinaka barrage. This is important, they did ask previous exam. Chinaka barrage, this is on the Penganga river, which is tributary of the Godavari. Penganga river, which is tributary of Godavari. It is located Adilabad and Asifabad. Adilabad and Asifabad. Devadala lift irrigation project, it is on the Godavari, where the place is Janagam and Warangal Siddipet. Guys, just look at here, this is slide most important. Again, the Krishna river is Nagarjuna Sagar project and Palamuru Rangareddy project, and Jurala project is on the river Krishna. Okay, these three projects are Krishna river. Okay, this is Krishna, this is Krishna, this is Krishna. Krishna river, the major irrigation projects on the Krishna river is Priyadarshini, Jurala project Priyadarshini, where Jogulamba Gadwala, and Palamuru Rangareddy lift irrigation scheme, where Mahabub Nagar, Nagar Karnool and Rangareddy. Nagarjuna Sagar project, which is Krishna river and Nalagunda. If you come to the Godavari, Kaleshwaram lift irrigation on the Godavari, Sriram Sagar Godavari, Sitaram lift irrigation Godavari, and Lower Penganga, that is we can call Chinaka barrage on the Godavari, which the Penganga is the tributary of the Godavari. Of course, that is also the large major project. Major projects above 10,000 hectares. Okay, they can flow above 10,000 hectare. Okay, yeah. And Devadala lift irrigation also Godavari, Warangal, Janagam and Siddipet. This is the most important slide. You guys take care of it. Okay, these are the major irrigation projects. Okay, yeah. More than 10,000 hectares they can cultivate this water. Okay, yes. Yeah. Next, medium irrigation projects. Medium irrigation projects. Okay, medium mean 2000, between 2000 to 10,000 hectares. Okay, between 2000 to 10,000 hectares. Medium irrigation project. They can ask you which one of the following is major irrigation project, which one of the following is medium irrigation project, irrespective of their river. Okay, yes. And medium is Lower Maner Dam. Lower Maner Dam, this is on the Maner place Godavari. Godavari river, Maner is the river of Godavari tributary. Maner is the river, that is Godavari tributary. the district is Karimnagar. Okay, the location of this project is Karimnagar. Okay, yeah, Mid-Maneru Dam, Mid-Maneru Dam. This is also Godavari tributary Maner. Okay, this is Rajanna Sirisilla. Okay, Maner is three. Okay, Lower Maner, Mid Maner and Upper Maner. Okay, Lower Maner and Mid Maner are the medium irrigation. Okay, Upper Maner is the minor irrigation. Okay, Upper Maner is the minor irrigation, that is different area in the Karimnagar district, and Lower Maner is Karimnagar district where the place is Karimnagar near, and Mid Maner is it is also Godavari tributary where the project is located Rajanna Sirisilla. These two are the medium irrigation projects. Okay, yeah, Ellampalli project, this is also Godavari, located in the Peddapalli district, okay, yes. Singur project, it is Manjira river, Manjira also the tributary of the Godavari, This is located in the Sangareddy. Singur is the project which is Manjira river is tributary of the Godavari. The district is Sangareddy. Okay, yeah. Kadam project. The river is Kadam, the tributary of the Godavari. It is located in the Adilabad. Okay, yeah. If Pakal Lake project, it is the stream. Okay, Pakal Warangal. Okay, Peddavagu project. Okay, this is Peddavagu, Adilabad. Yeah, medium irrigation, Dindi reservoir, Dindi river, the tributary of the Krishna, located in the Nalgonda. Only Krishna is Nalgonda, Dindi project. Okay, Dindi reservoir, it is the tributary of Krishna, Nallavagu project. It is Nallavagu, that is the tributary of Godavari, Kumrambim Asipabad. These are the medium size projects. Okay, yeah, the projects are medium irrigation projects. Okay, that is Lower Maner, Mid Maner, and Mid Maner, that is the tributary of Godavari. Okay, and Ellampalli projects completely on the Godavari. There is no tributary Ellampalli projects, that is Peddapalli. Singur project is Manjira river. Manjira river is the tributary of Godavari, and Kadam is the river, the tributary of Godavari, and the Pakal lake is Pakal stream, Warangal, and Peddavagu is Peddavagu river, and Adilabad. Dindi reservoir is the tributary of Krishna, Dindi river, that is Nalagonda, and Nallavagu project, Nallavagu is the tributary of Godavari, Komurambim, Asipabad. These are the medium size irrigation projects. They can ask you which one of the following is medium irrigation project. Medium irrigation project, the potential is 2,000 to 10,000 hectare. 2,000 to 10,000 hectare is the medium irrigation. Small irrigation is less than 2,000 hectares. Less than 2,000 hectares. Small irrigation is less than 2,000 hectare. You have to be, take a screenshot for this. Okay, yeah. Next, project on the Godavari river, specific, irrespective of minor and major. Okay, project on the Godavari and its tributary. The projects, irrigation projects on the Godavari and its tributary, irrespective of minor and major. Okay, yeah. And what are the project on the Godavari? Especially I made it for the main river Godavari, okay, and its tributaries. Okay, I did segregate the special Godavari and its tributary irrigation projects, and Krishna its tributary irrigation projects. Okay, yeah, Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project. This is the district Jaishankar Bhupalpalli, Siddipet and Karimnagar. Okay, major lift irrigation project on the Godavari. Okay, Sriram Sagar project, Nizamabad and Jagityal located major irrigation project. Ellampalli, it is Peddapalli major irrigation project. Okay, Devadula irrigation, Mulugu, Varangal major lift irrigation project. Dummagudam project, okay, it is Anakat, Bhadradri Kottagudam diversion project. Sitarama lift irrigation, Khammam, Bhadradri Kottagudam major lift irrigation project. Lower Godavari projects planned, Bhadrachalam, it is proposed. Actually, these are the main Godavari river projects. There is no tributary, there is no other river is included in this project. These are the main Godavari source lift irrigation projects. Okay, they can ask you which one of the following is project under the Godavari river. On the Godavari river, they can ask you such questions. Okay, in that way I did made for especially Godavari river projects and Godavari tributary irrigation projects. Okay, you have to be find it, guys. These are all major lift irrigation projects based on the river Godavari. Based on the river Godavari. Again, look into here, the Kaleshwaram. Okay, these are the district major lift, and Sriram Sagar, Nizamabad major lift, and Ellampalli, Peddapalli major, and Devadula, Mulugu Varangal major. Okay, and Dummaigudam, Bhadradri Kottagudam diversion. Okay, diversion project. Dummaiguda mean there is a water from the Godavari to Krishna, they can diverse the water. Sitarama irrigation, okay, Khammam, Bhadradri Kottagudam major lift irrigation. What are they? Kaleshwaram, Sriram Sagar, Ellampalli, Devadula, Dummagudam and Sitarama. These are the project 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 are the most important projects on the Godavari. We are looking to this next. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Okay, yeah, next. And tributaries. Godavari and tributaries, the river. Godavari tributary is what? Manjira. Manjira is the river which is tributary of Godavari. There is a project, Singur project. Manjira is the tributary of the Godavari. There is a project, irrigation project on the river Manjira named Singuru project. This is located in the district Sangareddy. Okay, another tributary of the Godavari is Maner. Okay, Maner project, Lower Maner, Mid Maner, Upper Maner projects. Okay, Lower Maner is the Karimnagar, Mid Maner is Sirsilla, Karimnagar. Okay, this is Upper Maner is Nirmal. Okay, they can reach the water up to there. Okay, these are the Maneru and Manjira. Okay, Manjira Singur, Maner is the Lower Maner, Mid Maner, Upper Maner. These are the tributary of the Godavari. These are the project names. Okay, yes. And Penganga also the tributary of the Godavari. What is the project? Lower Penganga project. We can call this as Chinaka barrage. This is the most important term. Chinaka barrage. Chinaka barrage is located at Hyderabad, Maharashtra. There is another place, Asifabad. Asifabad also there. Okay, Asifabad and Adilabad, the border of Maharashtra, there is a Chinaka barrage. We can call it as Lower Penganga. Lower Peniganga. Okay, yeah, Peddavagu, or we can call Nallavagu, or we can call Santala. Okay, this the Peddavagu, there are certain projects. Peddavagu is also Godavari tributary. Okay, that is Peddavagu project, Santala project, Nallavagu project. Peddavagu project is there, Kumrabim Asifabad. Santala project is there, Adilabad. Nallavagu project is there, Asifabad. This is also important for exam point of view, guys. They can ask you the minor rivers also. They are asking the minor points also. Okay, just you have to be focused everything. Okay, yeah, like Peddavagu is Komrambim Asifabad and Santala is Adilabad and Nallavag is Asifabad. Yeah, Komrambim Asifabad. This is also Asifabad. Asifabad is to Santala only. This is Adilabad. Both are Peddavagu, Nallavagu is Asifabad and Santala is Adilabad. Peniganga Chenaka barrage is Adilabad, mainly Adilabad. It is Asifabad is neglected. Okay, mainly Adilabad, that is the between Adilabad and Maharashtra, between Telangana and Maharashtra. That's why it is important. Okay, this project, minor project of Peniganga river, a tributary of the Godavari, located between the Adilabad and Maharashtra, Telangana versus Maharashtra. There is a water sharing between the Telangana and Maharashtra. This is also most important for exam point of view, guys. Okay, yeah, projects on Krishna river, Godavari, the projects on Godavari rivers and the projects on Godavari tributary river is over, and the projects on Krishna river. We are going to discuss each project detail afterwards. Krishna river, the projects on the Krishna river. Okay, Nagarjuna Sagar project, Jurala like Priyadarshini project, and Palamuru Rangareddy scheme project, and Dindi lift irrigation projects. These are the main irrigation projects on the Krishna river. Okay, Nagarjuna Sagar is Nalagonda district, and Jurala is Jogulamba Gadwala, and Palamuru Rangareddy, Mahbubnagar Rangareddy, and Dindi is Nalagonda. Okay, it is all are major projects, all are major projects. Okay, these are the projects based on the river Krishna. Okay, again you have to look into this. Nagarjuna Sagar 1, Jurala 2nd, Palamuru 3rd, and 4th is Dindi. Okay, these are the mainly on the Krishna river, not its tributaries. Main source is Krishna river for this projects. Okay, Nalagonda, Jogulamba Gadwala, Jurala mean Priyadarshini is Jogulamba Gadwala, Palamuru Rangareddy, Mahbubnagar Rangareddy, Dindi is Nalagonda. These are the major irrigation projects on the river Krishna. Okay, yeah. Okay, I hope you guys understand. This is very simple. You have to be remember, repeat and revision, recall. Okay, yes. And tributary on the Krishna river. There are tributary of the Krishna river. There are certain projects on the tributary of Krishna river. Dindi is the tributary of Krishna river. There is a project named Dindi Reservoir where Nalagonda. Okay, and other small tributaries, Kolisagar project, Peddavagu, Krishna, Mahbubnagar. Okay, Mahbubnagar, there is another Peddavagu we can call Koil Sagar. Okay, Bhima project, Bhima, okay, that is tributary of Krishna, Narayanapet. Bhima project, that is tributary of the Krishna, Narayanapet. Okay, you have to use mnemonics relevant to the names. Okay, that will help you to memorize. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Yeah, there are tributary of the Krishna, Dindi river and Koil Sagar project, Bhima project. Koil Sagar project on the tributary of the Krishna, that is Peddavagu, Mahbub Nagar. Koil Sagar Bhima project is the tributary of the Krishna, that is in the Narayanapet. Okay, in the Narayanapet. I hope you guys understand this. Yeah. Next, main rivers on the Godavari, main projects. Main projects on the Godavari river. Okay, we are going to discuss detailed discussion about the main projects and their details on the Godavari district, Godavari river. Okay, yeah, main projects. Dummagudam project, Dummagudam project, Dummagudam project. It is the main project, one of the main project on the river Godavari. Okay, yeah, what is this project? We are going to discuss. Okay, Dummagudam lift irrigation project is also Rajiv Dummagudam lift irrigation project. Okay, scheme aim to irrigate, that is 2 lakhs acres. This is important keyword for TSPSC. Okay, it is the district is Khammam district, Telangana, by lift irrigation water on the Godavari river. Okay, the Dummagudam is the location at the Khammam. Okay, this is the lift irrigation project scheme. Okay, about 2 lakh acres. Okay, the main aim to irrigate 2 lakh acres from the Dummagudam lift irrigation project. Okay, yes. Okay, the key features of the project, this is important. The key features of the project: location situated on the south bank of the Godavari river, upstream of the Dummagudam, okay, Anakat. Dummagudam Anakat. This is water resources Godavari river. Water resources is Godavari river. Okay, the target area irrigate 2 lakh acres. 2 lakh acres of Khammam district. 2 lakh acres of Khammam district. Okay, the project is, there is a pump house, that is pressure mains, gravity canals. Okay, approach the channels and reservoirs. Okay, guys, Dummagudam project is located in the Khammam. The main target is 2 lakh acres to cultivate, mean irrigate. Okay, yeah, it is mainly on the Godavari Khammam district. Okay, Dummagudam Khammam. Okay, you have to be remember where it is located, what is purpose of this project. This project purpose is 2 lakh acres for irrigation aim. Okay, this is located in the Khammam, name is Dummagudam project. Okay, yes, yeah. We are going to discuss some more details about Dummagudam project. We can call Rajiv lift irrigation scheme also. This is RDLIS. We can call RDLIS, Rajiv Dummagudam lift irrigation scheme. Rajiv Dummagudam lift irrigation scheme, that is RDLIS. Okay, this is scheme in the Dummagudam, where Khammam of Telangana. There are 3 lift irrigation schemes. 3 lift irrigation schemes are associated with Dummagudam lift irrigation project. One is Rajiv Dummagudam lift irrigation scheme. Okay, that second is Indira Sagar. Okay, Rudram Kota Dummagudam is lift irrigation scheme. Okay, Dummagudam Sagar Tail Pond Canal project. Okay, this is one. This is one. Rajiv Dummagudam lift irrigation scheme is one. Indira Sagar is second. Indira Sagar Rudram Kota Dummagudam lift irrigation scheme and Dummagudam Sagar lift irrigation project. Dummagudam Sagar Tail lift irrigation project. These are the 3 projects are based on Dummagudam lift irrigation scheme. Okay, yes. Rajiv Dummagudam lift irrigation scheme is lifting plan to supply irrigation water 2 lakh acres in Khammam and Warangal district. This is keyword. 2 lakh acres, the main aim is Khammam and Warangal. The district they can cover 2 lakhs, Khammam and Warangal. They can ask you which of the following is districts are covered under the Dummagudam lift irrigation project. Okay, yeah, they are drawing the Godavari water from Dummagudam pond. Okay, Indira Dummagudam lift irrigation scheme starting planned to supply irrigation water 2 lakh acres in Khammam, Krishna and West Godavari. This is important. Okay, yeah, I am going to write here Dummagudam lift irrigation, Rajiv Dummagudam main districts are Khammam and Warangal. Okay, and this one next Dummagudam, that is like Indira Dummagudam lift. Indira Dummagudam this is the districts are Khammam, Krishna and West Godavari. They can ask you, okay, Rajiv Dummagudam is they can cover Khammam and Warangal. Indira Dummagudam, Indira like this is Indira Dummagudam lift irrigation is Khammam, Krishna and West Godavari. Khammam, Krishna and West Godavari, they can cover 3 districts Indira Dummagudam project. Okay, Rajiv Dummagudam project they can cover Khammam and Warangal. Okay, yes. Polavaram reservoir, they can ask you Polavaram is reservoir is relevant to the which project, which irrigation project. Okay, yeah, of course there is a floating of water from Godavari to Nagarjuna Sagar project. Nagarjuna Sagar canal. Godavari to Nagarjuna Sagar canal, there is a water they can flow through this project only. Okay, they can lift irrigate the water from the Godavari to Krishna. Okay, Godavari to Nagarjuna Sagar. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Okay, yes, Dummagudam project. Okay, yes. And Dummagudam lift irrigation projects, okay, more about it. The village is Dummagudam, the district is Bhadradri Kottagudam, river is Godavari, district is Bhadradri Kottagudam and place village is Dummagudam. Okay, this is the short details about Dummagudam. Okay, the purpose of this project, it is irrigation low lying lands in the Khammam. It is power generation, there is a hydropower generation is there and interlinkage, the diversion of key diversion points of Godavari Krishna linkage project. This is important. This is important for exam point of view. Okay. Yeah, there is another lift scheme based on this, act as based point of Sitarama lift irrigation project. Based on that, this Dummagudam lift irrigation project they made. Okay, I hope you guys understand. This is the key word. There is a key diversion point of Godavari Krishna water linkage projects. Okay, the purpose of the purpose of this project, okay, aim is irrigation. Purpose is the linkage of the projects between the Godavari and Krishna. Okay, the main aim of Dummagudam project. Okay, just look into here. Yeah. Next, the districts benefited from the Dummagudam. This is also most important, guys. Bhadradri Kottagudam, their location and irrigation covered. Khammam, major beneficiary of Sita Rama lift irrigation scheme, which is connected to the Dummagudam. Suryapet and Nalagonda, indirect, they can benefit via channels. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Dummagudam. Yeah, beneficiary districts extended with the lift of Dummagudam. They can lift into the Sitarama, Dummagudam lift into the Dummagudam, is Sriram Sagar project, Suryapet and Nalagonda. Dummagudam proposed to the Krishna Godavari, Mahbub Nagar, Rangareddy. These districts, they can lift irrigation going to took place for the benefit of these districts. Okay. Yeah. Next main project is Sriram Sagar project. Sriram Sagar project, SRSP. This is the main project. It is the oldest project. Okay, this is main project, oldest project, Sriram Sagar. Okay, project which is on the river Godavari. Okay, this is built on the river Godavari. Okay, the purpose of Sriram Sagar project is also known as Pochampad project. Also known as Pochampad project. It is a multi-purpose irrigation project, and located across the Godavari river near Pochampad village, Nizamabad district, Telangana. Okay, Pochampad village, Nizamabad district, Telangana. We can call it as Pochampad project also. Okay, location where the village Pochampad, Nizamabad district, okay, river Godavari, major irrigation storage project which is started, construction is started 1963, most important. Okay, this is the oldest project. Okay, 1963, it is the complete the year where 1977. Okay, more than 14 years. 14 years it took place. Okay, yeah, existing authority, Government of India, Government of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, before, yeah, formation of Telangana. It is the main basic information about the Pochampad or Sriram Sagar project. Okay, yes, yeah, just look into here, key features of the Sriram Sagar projects. Yeah, location go on the Godavari river. On the Godavari river, it is stone bridge of Hyderabad Nagapur National Highway. Hyderabad Nagapur National Highway, Pochampad village. Pochampad village. Okay. Purpose of this project, they can ask you some project. They can ask you purpose of project, whether it is irrigation or drinking. It is purpose is irrigation, drinking water supply and hydroelectrical power generation. Okay, drinking water, the purpose irrigation and electricity. 3 purpose, multi-purpose. Okay, area covered which is 91,751 square kilometers. This is important. Okay, area covered. Okay, storage capacity 90 TMC. Okay, storage capacity is 90 TMC. This is important. The canals from this project, there is a canal system from these projects. Okay, that is Kakatiya Canal, Lakshmi Canal and Saraswati Canal. Kakatiya Canal, Lakshmi Canal and Saraswati Canal, guys. Okay, hydro plants, there are 4 turbines 9 megawatts capacity, okay, yeah, power generation is took place. It is foundation is the project is 1963 July 26. Today July 24, right? 24 July 24 today. Yeah, July 26, 1963. Okay, the Prime Minister Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru, the Prime Minister laid foundation stone for this project. That is why it is the oldest project. It is the most important project for the coming exam. Okay, yeah. This is the project is initially covered by Nizam's government for the 227 TMC on the Godavari river. Okay, yeah. It is the multi-stage project. Stage 1 focus on utilizing 150 TMC, stage 1. Stage 2 is aims to produce, this is 4,40,000 acres and 25 TMC, stage 2. Okay, and districts covered, okay, yeah, it is Karimnagar, Warangal, Adilabad, Nizamabad and Khammam and Warangal. Yeah, Khammam and Warangal for the drinking purpose, and Karimnagar, Warangal, Adilabad, Nizamabad, the districts it can be covered. Okay, this is the main like features about this Sri Ram Sagar project. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Take a screenshot about it. Okay, yes. Yeah, structural details of this project. Structural details of this project. Dam type, it is, yeah, it is Mansory earth dam, mean it is like stone on the stone. Okay, length of the dam is 156 kilometers and height 43, okay, and 1.56, this 15.6 kilometers, and full reservoir it is 1091 feet. They don't ask you this. Okay, catchment area they might ask you 91 lakhs 364 square kilometers catchment area. Okay, yeah, there are 42 gates. Okay, 42 gates. They might ask you how many gates are there from the Sri Ram Sagar project. Yeah, canals. This is the most important relevant to the Sri Ram Sagar project. Okay, canals are the most important relevant to the Sri Ram Sagar project. Okay, yeah. What are the canal? Left canal and right canal. Left canal and right canal. The length is 346 kilometers left canal that can be covered Nizamabad, Jagityal and Karimnagar. Left canal can cover Nizamabad, Jagityal and Karimnagar, left canal. Right canal, it is the smaller, this can be Adilabad, it can be cover Adilabad, okay, it is 3.9 lakh hectares, okay, and yeah, Ayakat is 6 to 7 lakh in Telangana. Okay, the canals is the most important which are connected to the Godavari river. Previously they did ask the canal system of Godavari, Sri Ram Sagar project. Okay, yes, yeah. Beneficiary districts of Sri Ram Sagar project. Nizamabad district, they can benefit, the project is, okay, where located. Jagityal district also benefited major part of Ayakat. Karimnagar, okay, command area. Adilabad, right canal and Rajanna Sirsilla Nirmal also partial beneficiaries. Okay, TSPSC key points about this project. Location Pochampad, river Godavari, capacity 90 to 112 TMC and a left canal length 346. Ayakat districts are Jagityal and Nizamabad, Karimnagar. Okay, related projects SRSP stage 2. Okay, flood flow canal and Kaleshwaram link. The purpose irrigation, drinking and flood control. Okay, this is the key focus areas for TSPSC. Yes. Next, Sriram Sagar project canal system. This is the most important. Yeah, canals are okay. We are going to discuss canals. Kakatiya canal. First, Kakatiya canal. These are the most important for coming exam. Kakatiya canal of Sriram Sagar project on the Godavari river. Kakatiya canal. Kakatiya canal length 284 kilometers. 284 kilometers. It is SRSP dam, Pochampat. The direction southeast towards Warangal and Khammam districts. Towards Warangal and Khammam. Okay. Kakatiya canal, they can flow towards Khammam and Warangal. This is the main point for TSPSC. Districts covered Nizamabad, Nalagonda, Warangal and Khammam. This is the most important. Kakatiya canal covered the district Nizamabad, Khammam and Warangal and Nalagonda. Nalagonda also there, guys. Nalagonda also there. Okay. Yeah. Kakatiya canal covered Nalagonda, Nizamabad, Khammam and like Warangal. Khammam, Warangal. 284 square kilometers. 284 kilometers. That Ayakatta irrigated covered about 5.95 lakh acres. Okay. Longest gravity canal. Okay. South India. Longest gravity canal in the South India. That's why they might ask you Kakatiya canal. Okay. They can ask you Kakatiya canal is Sriram Sagar project canal which is under Godavari river that can be cover 4 districts. Okay. Yeah. And it is supply irrigation to the major portion Telangana fertile Godavari basin. It provide drinking water to the Warangal city. This is important. Okay. Kakatiya is the term which is relevant to the Warangal mostly. Kakatiya canal, they can give the water, drinking water to the Warangal people. Okay. Warangal city. This is the important for the exam point of view. Okay. I hope you guys understand. Take a screenshot about it. Okay. Yes. And the next, Saraswati canal. Saraswati canal on the SRSP project. Okay. This is about 46 kilometers. 46 kilometers Saraswati canal flow northern district from the dam north direction, that is south direction. Kakatiya is the south direction, this is north direction. Okay. Saraswati is north direction. They can cover Nizamabad, Adilabad and Nirmal. Okay. Nizamabad, Adilabad and Nirmal. Ayakat is 1.2 lakh acres, that is 5.9 lakh acres. This is 1.2 lakh acres. Okay. It can be supply water to the North Telangana, especially Adilabad, Nizamabad. Okay. Yeah. Adilabad, Nizamabad, they can carry forward water. Okay. I hope you guys understand this. Yeah. Next, Lakshmi canal. Lakshmi canal. Okay. Lakshmi canal, they can flow northeastern direction, north and east direction. That is mainly Nizamabad, Ayakat. Okay. Approximately 0.82 lakh acres, mean 82,000 acres. Okay. Water supply to the northwest of Nizamabad. Lakshmi canal, Nizamabad. Okay. Saraswati canal and Kakatiya canal. Saraswati canal is upper part where Nizamabad, Nirmal and Adilabad. Lakshmi canal is only for Nizamabad. Kakatiya canal, Nalagonda, Nizamabad and Warangal, Khammam. Okay. I hope you guys understand the canal system which is directly linked to the SRSP project. Okay. Yes. Summary of these canals. Okay. Yeah, which one is 280 kilometers, 284 Kakatiya, the districts covered, okay, and 5 lakh acres, and Saraswati 46 kilometers and Lakshmi is 47 kilometers. Okay, they can ask you the length. Okay, yeah, this can be Saraswati can cover Nizamabad, Adilabad, Nirmal, and Lakshmi is only Nizamabad. This is important. What are the canals? They can cover these 6. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Yeah, Maneru Dam. Maneru Dam is the one of the most important dam where on the Telangana Godavari river. Okay, yeah, it is Maneru is lower Maneru Dam. Lower Maneru Dam. There is a mid Maneru is there, upper Maneru is there. Mid Maneru is Sirisilla, lower Maneru is the Karimnagar. Okay, yeah, it is the location Karimnagar city. Okay, Karimnagar district, Telangana. Okay, the Maner village is Maner river where NH 563 highway, NH highway, national highway 563. Okay, they can ask you any form. Okay, inaugurated is 1985, completed by 1980. Okay, yeah, inaugurated 1985 they started. Okay, purpose of and benefits, this provide irrigation for the 2 lakh acres, irrigation for the 2 lakh acres. Okay, yeah, to stabilize the SRSP Kakatiya canal, it is drinking supply for the Karimnagar city. Okay, hydropower also there, hydroelectrical power also there in the dam. Okay, yes, Maneru, yeah, it is built on Maneru river. The capacity is hydroelectrical power 24 TMC, sorry, capacity of water 24 TMC. Okay, it is about irrigation, drinking and flood control. Okay, it is also multi-purpose, drinking and there is irrigation. Okay, yeah, yeah, Maner, this can be asked in the exam, guys. Location lower Maneru, mid Maneru and upper Maneru. The location they can ask you, location they can ask you. Lower Maneru is Karimnagar district on the Maneru river, tributary of the Godavari. Okay, mid Maneru is near Sirsilla town, Karimnagar district. Okay, yeah, upper Maneru is near Nirmal village, Gamberaupeta, Karimnagar district, Nirmal village, sorry. Okay, yeah, the purpose of lower Maneru is irrigation and balancing reservoir of the Kakatiya canal and drinking water also. The purpose of mid Maneru is irrigation and water supply. Okay, the purpose of this upper Maneru is medium irrigation projects. Okay, yeah, the impact, it can be covered 1,63,000 acres, 1,63,000 acres. Okay, yeah, this is mid Maneru is completed on transforming Sirisilla district. Mid Maneru is Sirisilla district. Okay, yeah, guys, these are lower and mid and upper Maneru dam. Okay, just look into this point, most important. Okay, yes, yeah, Siddipeta Ellampelli, sorry, Sripada Ellampelli project. Tomorrow we will going to discuss Sripada Ellampelli project. Guys, I hope you guys understand these projects and based on Godavari river today itself. We are going to discuss, this is the class extended to tomorrow, the projects we are going to complete tomorrow itself. I hope you guys understand this. Thank you.